watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you 20 easy summer decor ideas to brighten your home. These ideas are simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for adding a touch of summer to your living space. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, kitchen, or outdoor area, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Summertime sign. Start by creating a summertime sign. It's a fun and easy way to welcome the season into your home. Use bright, cheerful colors to paint the sign and place it in your entryway or living room. Summer cloche. Display summer-themed items under a cloche. Think of seashells, small potted plants, or even a summer figurine. This adds a touch of elegance and whimsy to your decor. Lemon bouquet. Arrange a bouquet of artificial lemons in a vase. This brings a pop of yellow and a fresh look to your kitchen or dining table. Yellow wooden beads. String together yellow wooden beads to create a garland. Drape it over your mantle, around the vase, or along the shelf for a sunny accent. Pressed flower candle holders. Decorate plain glass candle holders with pressed flowers. This adds a delicate, natural beauty to your candles, perfect for summer evenings. Green topiary. Add a green topiary to your living space. These plants, whether real or artificial, bring in a vibrant, fresh feel that's perfect for summer. Summertime sign. Another great idea is a summertime sign. Customize it with your favorite summer colors and patterns. Hang it in your hallway or patio. Sun catcher. Create a sun catcher to hang in your window. It will reflect the sunlight beautifully, adding a magical touch to any room. Sea glass vases. Fill clear vases with sea glass. These vases can be used as centerpieces or placed on shelves to bring a coastal vibe to your decor. Painted rock cactus. Paint rocks to look like cacti and arrange them in a small pot. It's a charming and low-maintenance way to add greenery to your home. Rope life preserver. Craft a life preserver using rope. Hang it on a wall or door for a nautical theme that's perfect for summer. Flower resin coasters. Make coasters using resin and pressed flowers. These are both functional and beautiful, adding a summery touch to your coffee table. Seashell macrame. Incorporate seashells into a macrame wall hanging. This creates a boho chic look that's perfect for the season. Painted vases. Give your old vases a new look by painting them with bright, summery colors. Use them to hold fresh or artificial flowers. Sailboats. Decorate with small, decorative sailboats. Place them on shelves or side tables for a touch of nautical charm. Wood citrus slice coasters. Create coasters that look like citrus slices from wood. These are fun, colorful, and perfect for summer entertaining. Nautical buoys. Add small nautical buoys to your decor. They can be placed in baskets, on shelves, or hung up for a coastal feel. Painted turntable. Transform a plain turntable by painting it with bright, summery colors. It's a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen or dining area. Painted oyster shells. Collect oyster shells and paint them with vibrant colors. Display them in bowls or use them as decorative accents around your home. Hello Summer sign. Finally, create a Hello Summer sign. Hang it on your front door or in your entryway to greet guests with a cheerful summer vibe. We hope you enjoyed these 20 easy summer decor ideas to brighten your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more decorating tips and DIY projects. Let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite or if you have any summer decor tips to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.